time is 7:47 and I got up around 4 o'clock. Till 7:30 I studied. I had a very productive study and very relaxing because I won't have the tension of studying. I've completely finished studying for today and yeah, really relaxing. Today I'll be going out with my friends, so that is why I completed studying this early. So anyways guys, welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys are rocking your day. I think I'll be going around in the afternoon for lunch with my friends, just to chill because after so many days we all are meeting. So nothing else. Now I'll go have protein shake, I'll do my workout and then I'll get back to you guys. Boom. Alright, I've taken bath and I'm super fresh now. I just have to set my hair and I'll be ready to go. The mall is really close to my house, so it's in a walkable distance, so it won't take much time to reach the mall. Okay, I'm back home. I didn't come now. I came around 2 hours ago, but I took some rest because I was really tired. We had lots of fun with my friends. I had lots of fun. It was really nice, and yeah, man. After so many years, I mean 1.5 year, after so many months, it was really nice. You can see the smile on my face and tell how happy I am because 1.5 year is too much. And yeah, we all partied, we played games and all that. So yeah, my diet wasn't maintained today. Anyways, that's not a problem. I'll tackle it in some 3 days and I'll get back to track. That's not a problem at all. So I had gone to the mall. There I found a bookstore, so I got my computer book. I've taken computer as a subject. So I didn't have my computer book textbook, the hard copy. I had a PDF file which was on my laptop and my tablet. So that really took time to open and stuff because my laptop is really slow. I need to upgrade it. I need to give this and not give, throw this basically. Not throw also. I mean, I have to get a laptop to replace it with this because this is really slow. I tried so many tricks and hacks, but none of them worked. I saw YouTube videos, reels, Instagram, everywhere, Google. I searched everywhere, but none of the tricks or hacks worked. So let's see when this will go and when a new laptop will come. That's not a problem. So I've got the new book. So reading or studying a new book is really fun for few days. So to just not break the fun and take it and enjoy it, I will study for some time the computer book. And yeah, it's really nice. Such a fat book, and the overall graphic of the book is only so good. And yeah, it's really nice. So I'll study for some time and then I'll get back to you guys after studying. Done studying. Now it's dinner time, so I'll go have dinner and I'll end this vlog here itself. Also, I want to show you something before ending the vlog. Not show, tell you. So this is my leg and I'm wearing this shorts. So this is my thigh and I don't know why there's some pain, and now it is reduced. Thankfully it has reduced, so now it's not affecting me so much. But here, exactly here, I don't know what. I think it's a muscle pull or a nerve pull, something like that. I have severe pain here. I'm not able to close my arms. I have to keep it. I can't do this. I have to do this and stay because it's hurting here. So I don't know why, but I think it is high time. I need to take at least 3 days of rest now. I'm not going to work out because this pain is unbearable, man. Seriously. Anyways, guys, let's end today's vlog here itself. If this vlog made you smile or entertained you, hit the like. So, and subscribe to my YouTube channel also for more amazing videos. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep rocking. Stay safe. Bye.